this video, I will show you how to share the Flow app with a partner. Open your Flow app and head over to the Partner tab, which you can easily find on the app's home screen. This tab is designed specifically for connecting with your partner to share cycle information. Once you're in the Partner tab, look for the Link Your Partner button. This button is what you will use to initiate the process of connecting your accounts. When you tap on the Link Your Partner button, the app will generate a message containing a unique pairing code. This code is essential for linking your accounts and enabling data sharing between you and your partner. Your partner will need to download the Flow app if they haven't already done so. Once they have the app, they can enter the pairing code you provided them with. After your partner enters the code, the account will be successfully paired, allowing you both to start sharing cycle data seamlessly. As the main user, you have full control over the data sharing feature. If at any point you want to stop sharing your cycle data with your partner, you can do so with ease. Simply navigate to the Partner tab and tap on the option to stop sharing. Your partner will no longer have access to your data. If you ever wish to resume sharing in the future, you can do that too. Just tap on the Link Your Partner button again and you will be all set to start sharing again. That is exactly how to share the Flow app with a partner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.